What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another video. I had to take off the sweatshirt from the last video because it's kind of getting hot. It's funny because you guys seen it in the video. I was gonna remove it, but I literally forgot to move it. But here we go. I think I still got the screenshot. Nike SB Dunk, size 12. I finally hit. It's like what, my third or fourth pair of the Nike SB. Oh shit, it's upside down. Nike SB. We're gonna get right into the video of this. This is like a random SB that went under the radar. Only like people that paid attention really knew. They dropped out of nowhere on Sneakers app. There was no like build up or whatever on it. And yeah, size 12 men's. So first and foremost, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We do reviews. We do anything fashionable, sneakers, clothes, whatever it is. Subscribe to this channel, like I said. Also subscribe to my music channel. Also go show me some love on Instagram and go follow me over there. No further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, like I said, if I remember, I do have the screenshot of when I hit these, the big got 'em scream. If I do have it, it's gonna be right here. Bow, or bow, wherever I put it. So yeah, big boy size. My first big size in a SB. This phone that I record on, this account for some reason always does well on a men's 12. I hit so many size 12s. So if you wear a size 12, hit me up and let me know what shoe you want. I might hit the size 12 on this phone because I have a lot of size 12s that I hit on this phone. I put a size 12 and I said, let's just see what happens. I put a regular size on my main phone. Didn't hit on here. Boom, I came back downstairs, seen this screen, it says got 'em. I was like, of course, size 12. So I don't know the name of these, but we'll just read what they says on the box. Obviously by the time I post it, I'm gonna have the title. It's called Wolf Gray, White Wolf Gray. So just a whole lot of Wolf Gray, like you've seen before. Nike SB. This is a size 12, like I said. Some people don't know the correlation. So women's 13.5, men's 12. So voila, we open it. Regular paper they give. That regular green, whatever they do. And then, what do you know? Boom. Random ass Nike Dunk Low SB Wolf Gray. It does not come with... Oh yeah, it does. Okay, I was about to jump the gun and say it doesn't. But it does come with extra laces. Let's just close this for now. We could do a little thumbnail real quick, so give me a sec. Gotta do thumbnails like this because that's what's gonna draw people in. You guys know what's up. Thumbnail clickbait real quick. Not clickbait, but whatever. So that's it for that thumbnail. Hope I don't got a paper cut. Alright, so it does come with extra laces. It comes with the white that it shows. And then obviously it comes with the gray that's already on the shoe. So it does come with white. I mean, some people might want white, but it's going to get dirty. But then it might be too much gray, so whatever. So let's just put this one shoe away. I don't want to keep having the one with extra laces. Let's just put this in the box. Put this paper all over it. So anyways, so size 12, Wolf Gray, White Wolf Gray, whatever they said on the box. But I think it's a clean shoe. You throw some jeans on it, whatever you want to put. It's a cool, calm Wolf Gray / cool gray. It got suede base around the whole shoe. I don't know if you could tell. Suede over. I like the combination of the white and gum bottoms. You know, some sneakers do justice with the gum bottom. Some don't. But this is perfect. Literally perfect. What else do you want? As a Nike Dunk Low, Wolf Gray. Just like Jordans, just like Nike, just like anything. Gray is probably one of the top 3 colorways that if it has gray, is going to sell for a lot of, you know, some a lot. And you're still going to make profit on any. I don't know no gray sneaker that is a brick shoe. Other than maybe the cool grade 3 Jordans. But that's because that was a GR, big release. But these sold out on the sneakers app, obviously. The only thing that's leather, I'm weak. This whole thing is suede base. The only thing that's leather, I think, is the Nike logo, and then the leather in the back that says Nike right there. That's the only thing. Leather, the threading, and then the Nike is like a leather. Everything else is suede. I don't know if you could tell in the video, but yeah, solid shoe. Like I said, I hit them on the sneakers app. I think with tax it was $120. Resale, they do go for like $200 to $220, I believe. It just depends what size, obviously. But it's a solid shoe. Let me know what you guys think about this. It came in the mail yesterday. So, well, by the time you watch this, it's going to be 2 days ago. It came in the mail. It's crazy how you film videos now, and it could be for the future or for the past. But by the time you're watching this, I filmed this video 2 days ago. And actually, no, 1 day ago. Because, okay, yeah. So by the time you're watching this video, I filmed this video yesterday. But as I'm filming this, the sneaker came in yesterday. So when you do see this, it's going to be 2 days ago that the sneaker came in. But like I said, I have a schedule when I post stuff. So if you're watching this video, go watch the last videos I just dropped. Thank you. But one thing that's also different about this dunk is the tongue is like a chunky tongue, which most SBs are chunky, but this feels more like a like not leather, but like those couches your grandparents would have. But it's like a soft cushion type of tongue. It's like a not suede, but it's like, I don't know what material that is, but nice chunky. And that's the only thing that's different. It just says Nike SB orange. So that's really it. It's like a carpet type of squish material. I don't know what type of material that is, but other than that, what you guys think about this? Overall, it's a solid dunk. Let me know down below. Also, the orange highlighter logo right there inside that says Nike SB. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shoe overall. Wolf gray, cool gray, whatever gray you want to call it. So let me know what you think. So I have no more storage as usually on this phone. So I was about to say, to end it real quick, let me know if you want to cop size 12. Don't wait till the last minute. Cop right now if you want, instead of waiting last minute. Let me know if it's a must cop or not. Are you skipping? Do you like it? Is it hot? Either way, subscribe to my channel, this channel. Subscribe to my music channel. Also, go show me love on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy is out. Peace. See you on the next one.